I've taken over every area of the park. There's no place you'll be safe from me. And now, enjoy a ride that's about to be demolished while you're riding it.
Ooh, a roller coaster.
I'm scared, Dad!
Sweetie, they won't kill you in an amusement park as long as you have a dime left in your pocket.
There's nothing you can do. You're about to die.
You sound like my duck.
Ah, my next victims. So anyway, where are you all from?
Not only are you not killing us, I'm having fun.
Only they said to stay seated!
Oh, that's a load of corporate... Just pull out! Go! Hey, I can see our car! You guys haven't seen a giant steel ball, have you? You don't want to hurt me, Ball. We're both big and round and never finished high school. Save me, tourist!
Welcome to a magical journey through my mouth. You're all gonna die. The kiddie ride. At least we're safe.
Panda begs to differ. You shut up! Say we.
Alone at last.
Bob's trying to kill the kids.
It just gets better and better.
Now, however, because I want to be fair, a piece of advice. Resist every temptation I place in front of you.
Oh, beer!
Homer, it's a temptation.
When did beer hurt anybody? Uh-oh. What? I hate chain reactions!
You foiled my plans for the last time. Now.
You soiled your pants for the last time? We'll save you! Onward, convenient whale!
By the way, now I'm very wet! Marge, stay away from the ramp!
What?
Okay, this is no longer fun!
Now for the unkindest cut of all.
Look what the radiation did to Maggie!
They grow up so fast!
Ta-ta, tourist.
Do not fear, a nerd is here.
I'll give you back your pacifier if you destroy Springfield.
Careful, the baby is wet and presumed drinking.
I'm not gonna change that diaper.
Mommy's coming, Giant Maggie! Come on, Edge! Destroy something!
Where did you put it?
Get away from my baby! Maggie, that's not a pacifier! Get those tourists out of your mouth! You don't know where they've been!
Home, sweet. No! Foolish earthlings, don't you know all rides must end near the gift shop? My bosoms are slapping my face!
For nothing, gravity! This must be the part where they take your picture. Okay? Smile!
You've got 5 seconds to kill somebody. Hello, folks.
What a horrible nightmare! Thank God this ride is over. Let's go again.
Well, that's all right. Hey, what does this do?